Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to do analysis here. As we can see here, after this continuous upside movement, here it has tried a little bit of retracement kind of move. So we can plan for upside here, but if it open flat kind of scenario, and if it go upside, then after this going upside, if it give a breakout kind of like breakout failure kind of scenario, we can try to do this because it can create a choppiness kind of scenario. But if it open like a flat and go upside and don't like break the low near about this level, then we can plan to do upside here. Until that, if it open either gap down or gap up, we can plan to short here. Near here it has created a positive kind of scenario here, and a trend line kind of thing is following here. So we will just in like bullish side until we open gap down kind of scenario. For that we will plan upsides kind of thing here, because here the upside gap is there. So if it open like flat and try to go upside, then we can plan to do short near about this level, or if it open gap up, then we can again plan to short here near about this level. Here again a round level is also there, so it can be little tricky here. Next here in ABT we are just see it is like a channel kind of thing is going here kind of thing. So it is near about the below channel, so it can try to make a volatility near about this area. So let it go, like let it create a range kind of scenario near about this. Let it break this channel. After this breaking channel, let it move near about this level. But for now let's just wait here. If it open gap down kind of scenario, I'm more interested to a selling side, but let's just see how it gonna work. In other scenario I'm not too much interested here. Here we are bullish in this. If it open like try to go upside, then we can plan to buy here. So, or if it open gap down kind of scenario, it can create a volatility kind of thing here, because here is the support level. So again it can try to push upside if it open gap down kind of scenario, but still bullish in this. If it open flat or gap down, but if open gap up, then we can plan to short near about this area. Here still bullish in this. Let's just wait and go whether it try to move upside or not. Here let it is like creating, see here it is like following the trend line kind of scenario. A curvature kind of thing is happening here, but still it's still like following here. So we will just going to wait till the break kind of scenario here, because the trend is still negative. So it can be a retracement kind of thing. For make it positive, let it make a swing upside here like this kind of scenario, then we can plan to buy here. But for now let's just for ready for negative kind of scenario here. Next in AMG, and it is a confusing kind of scenario here. As we can see here, after this upside scenario, this was the trend line or range, whatever you can say, it was following near about this level. Now after this breaking up, it is trying to maintain and trying to sustain this level. But the thing is that if it open gap down and go downside, then these are the level where at any point it can try to make a support near about this level. And if we try to go upside, then we can plan to buy near about this above this level. So let's just wait here. Here next in Amazon, this was the support kind of area we were trying, like a bias sign can be come here, but the selling scenario has just taken place. So if it open like gap up kind of scenario and gap up and go, we can plan to buy near about this. Or else in other scenario I'm not interested here for now, at least. Here there is nothing similar like that. See here we are planning to buy kind of scenario here, but the thing is it is in negative side, so not interested here. Here the channel continuous kind of thing is here. It is near on the top of the channel, so let's just try to short near about this, but the thing is that it is holding the level Previously, if we see here, what happened here is that it create a negative candle in a negative candle, and after the third candle it come near about this range. Again, as we can see here it takes only 1 and 2 candle, but here as we can see it still make 1 2 3 candle, but the selling pressure has not come here, so it is a sign of bullishness. But for bullishness it has to like open gap up kind of scenario. If it open flat, then we can plan to short here, or if it open like gap down, then the selling scenario will be gone because the trend line is near about this level, so we can plan to buy near about this level. Here there is nothing. Here the point is, see, it has perfectly come down and upside buying side of scenario has just taken place. So now we are just going to plan for buying side of scenario kind of thing here in CHTR. So let's just wait how it try to go upside. Here again it is trying like, see, a similar like trend line kind of scenario is there, so we will just follow the trend line here. So still bullish in this, but it can create a volatility kind of thing here also, so we need to take care of that also. Yeah, actually I am little bit of negative in this, because as we can see after this trying, it has like trying to break this level, but sellers are not like efficient to, not that kind of stronger to make it downside. So if it give a little bit of gap up, then it can plan to go upside, but if it open flat kind of scenario, it can plan to negative side. Here if it open gap up kind of scenario, we can plan to buy near about this level. Let it go, then see how things gonna work out. Here it has created a very perfect spot. Now see, this is the point. Here it is hitting again and again. Now here what I want is like a positive kind of candle, or a doji kind of candle, whatever it is, or a hammer kind of candle. But if it give like upside, I am expecting a buying side of pressure little bit, and after this buying side of pressure we can plan to short here. So here I am expecting either bullish side candle or a doji kind of candle here. After that we can plan to short near about this range, but here actually I am little bit wrong in buying sides of opportunity rather than selling side for now at least. And in after that session we can plan to sell if it like create a bullish kind of candle near about this level, and after that if it breaks, then we can plan to short near about this level. But for now I am looking for buying sides of opportunities here. Here as you can see the lows are still shifting here, so we will just going to wait for the low to taken out, so we can plan to sell side. Until that we will just going to wait here. If we got SL very small kind of thing, because if it like break, then it can be a moment where fast falling can also be happen like this. As we can see here, it created when it try to break this level, when it try to, let's see, the lows are shifting here upside and upside. When it try to break this level, the sharp falling has just done here, and here this is the also the area where the heavy kind of selling has just come here previously. So if it again like break the low of the day, then we can plan to short here. If we got a small SL, it will be fine. If it a bigger SL, then we have to like see other scenario like where we can got a small SL to do short. Here there is nothing. Here it is in bullish, so we will just go with the flow kind of thing here until and unless if it open gap up, because if it open gap up, then this is the selling pot like previous high, so I'm expecting a little bit of selling pressure for that reason. So let's go with the flow kind of thing until it open gap up. Here it is creating a bullish side of candle here, so interested toward buying side, but let's just see how things work out here. If it open gap down kind of scenario, then After this, like if it open gap down kind of scenario, let it break the trend line and do a retest, then the selling pressure we can plan to short here. Until that, let's just wait here in JPM. There is nothing will follow the trend kind of scenario is going here in Lin. Similar kind of thing is happening here. Is that, see, this is the point where selling pressure has just come and it has done a time span. Even after it open gap down, the buying pressure has just come here. Now here I am not expecting a again big candle here. I am expecting like a retracement kind of scenario. Let it retrace, like if it open gap up kind of scenario. This is the point of selling. So here, instead of buying more and more, this is the point where I'm actually interested to short here for like little bit of retracement kind of thing. Then after that we can plan to buy here, because the candle, as we can see, it is very big kind of candle. If it open near about this level and try to go upside, then we can follow again next day to buy. But the opening price is near about gap down, and this buying pressure is like the length of the candle is very big kind of thing. So for that reason I am interested towards negative. I see previously it is try to create a bullish side of very lengthy candles, and the next day it has tried to create a negative kind of candle here. So again here, for that reason I am just expecting a like hold type of candle here. Then after that we can plan to buy here again. Here LLY there is nothing. Let's just like see, this is the point of resistance. It has created a perfect resistance. Now if we see the low of here and here is very like far for now, so let it go below this level or this level. Why? Because if this break this level, then this is also a fresh level. If it create a candle where the low is similar near about this level, then we can plan to short here. But the thing is that it has created a doji kind of candle and inside bar kind of candle here. So here the buyers and sellers both are confused. So we have to wait, like if it go like upside or negative side of thing. So here just waiting here only. If it like go upside, then we can plan to buy near about this level, but we will just going to see how things gonna work out here. Here NMD there is nothing. Here MA is, see, here it is trying to make a positive kind of scenario here, but the thing is that whether it gonna break out or not. See, if it open flat kind of scenario, we can plan to buy here. But if it open gap up, then I am not interested towards buying side. Why? Because the people who are trying to buy, their execution buying price has already gone. So I'm expecting a little bit of retracement kind of thing. If it open gap up kind of scenario, like if it open gap up, try to go more upside, and if we see a negative kind of scenario, we can plan to short here. Until that, we'll just going to wait here. Next, in MCD, let's just kind of going to wait here because it is a choppiness kind of scene here. So we can plan to wait how things gonna work out here. Here in Meta, see, as you can see, the lows are continuously shifting here, and when it try to break, it does heavy kind of selling pressure has just come here. So now it is like a confusing kind of scenario here. Here again a buying pressure can also come here. After that buying pressure, it either create a double top kind of pattern here or create a confusing kind of candle scenario here. So let's just wait for some time to see in which side, either buyers or seller, where we can get an opportunity here. Here in MVR, just waiting near about this area to clear, either go upside or negative side. Here in MS, as we can see here, this is the point. Here it is trying to make a bullish side of candle, but here actually I am expecting a little bit of negative sides of scenario here. So this is the selling spot for us. So let's just wait whether if it open gap up or flat. If it come near about this area, and if it try to go down, like, then we can plan to short near about this area. Here in Microsoft, it is creating a very much kind of bullish candle, but the thing is that here the thing is that it is trying multiple buying side, but it is the buying pressure of too much has not come here. So I am little bit of like in negative side, planning why if it open either gap down, flat or gap up, I am interested towards selling side for now, until unless some bigger news is come here to push upside. But I'm just planning to short near about this level, so let's just see how it gonna work. Either we will hit an SL or something make out of it. Let's just wait. Here there is nothing. Here after so much of buying struggle, the sellers held like a retracement type of thing has just come here. Now the thing is that this is the point of retracement. Like uh, I'm expecting a selling pressure again near about this area. If it's selling pressure come here, then again if we try to go upside, then we can try to catch this amount of buying pressure. But till now I'm a little bit of interested towards selling kind of force here. So we can see negative kind of scenario here. If we got an opportunity towards selling side, we can try to take it. Oracle, there is nothing in PEP here. As we can see what just happened here, see, this is the point where sellers were trying to go, but the thing is again here the buying kind of scenario has just taken place. Now if it open gap down, it has to like break this low, or if it open like a gap up kind of scenario, then if it little bit of selling pressure, if it go upside, then we can plan to buy here. Until that, let's just wait here, because it has created like people who have short here, their SL will be near about this level, and the people who have tried to buy here, their SL will be near about this level. Either way it try to cross, a momentum can come here, so we will just going to wait, because buyers and sellers are both like struggling to cross. Like sellers are struggling near about this level because buyers are defending here, and this is the place where sellers are defending here. So either way a momentum can be captured here. So let's just wait the range to break it. Here in PG, as we can see here, similar, like see, this is the point of retracement. If we try to go upside, and this is the point seller zone kind of thing here, so we can plan to short near about this level. Here there is nothing, as we can see the point here 1 2 3 4 5 6, each time the low is again shifting and shifting, so here is nothing to do by here. I'm just interested towards selling side only, because I'm just waiting the low to break. If it give a break, then we have to be alert, and we can plan to short by seeing the selling kind of setup here. So let's just wait here. There is nothing like, see here it is continuously making negative candles here, so it like give bullish sign in the smaller time frame, but as we can see on daily chart, it has created a many negative candles. So still we are waiting for a buying kind of scenario, like a bullish side of candle here. So let's just wait and see how things gonna work out here. Here as we can see, momentum is there, the angle is very steep kind of thing here, but it has given a retracement, so we can try to continue this retracement. In either we can try to catch this selling scenario, or we can plan to buy this kind of movement here. But for that, like if it open flat, try to go down, we can try to short here, and this is the area where we can take as a target. Now after it try to make a upside near about this area, we can plan to catch this kind of move here. Either our SL will be gone, or we make something out of it. Here Tesla, there is nothing, there is nothing. Here again there is nothing. Here a bullish kind of scene is there. So let's just wait, see, this is the point where he's trying to make. Now here a little bit of bullish side in the coming time, but as we can see here I am planning to like a ascending triangle type of thing here, so a little bit of negativeness can be there. So let's just see. Here in way there is nothing I am expecting. Let's just go with the flow for now. Here in vortex, here we are interested towards buying side, so let's just wait here to buy. Here in XOM it is trying to create upside movement, so let it go because here it has touched multiple time and the buying pressure has just started near about this level because it has created a negative candle. After that a bullish candle is just make here, so we can plan to buy near about this level.